My name is Duncan Miller, I'm the Operations Director of Cumbria Waste Group. The baler has been in now for just about 3 weeks, and we are finding that we are processing maybe 4 or 5 times the amount of card than we were previously with the Bollegraaf baler. Also, the amount of different materials that the machine can bale is vast, and that's a huge importance to us, so it's not a one-trick pony. We found the service for Bollegraaf extremely good. Once we said we wanted a refurbished machine, that was understood, and it was a joint process of finding us a machine and ultimately working in a deal with Steve Starr for the baler and then the conveyor as well. The commissioning period for the baler has been fantastic. The process with Stephen also from start to finish, and the guys coming over from Holland, has been superb. Putting the baler in took ultimately about 12 hours, and then installed within about 3 days, and baling after 4 days. Couldn't have went better. Good joint up working process, and everything that we said it was going to be done has been done, so a very good process for us.
Here's another example of a great installation we've done in the UK. With teamwork from the Netherlands, our projects manager in the UK, Steve Alsop, engineers from the Netherlands have come across and help us install it, and our own UK-based engineers, John and Darren. We've put this installation in, and the customer is more than happy.